This is On Tilt Trading with today's live crypto market open analysis and Bitcoin trade strategy. Today is July 3rd, 2025. I'm currently in a Bitcoin position long, still keeping the account small and keeping the risk on each trade amount small as well. This trade, I believe, has about about $1.75 risk here, and I think the risk to reward is like a 3.5 to 1. So risk a little less than $2 and get back a little more than $7 here on this position. I'll walk you through what I'm seeing here, top down. So here on the daily chart, seeing a few things. These purple lines that you're seeing here, these are swing highs and swing lows from the monthly and the weekly. And then this yellow line that you're seeing here, this is the current structural range, with this being the structural range, the strong low. This being the week high here. This is based off of this being the previous week high. And then this price action that was delivered to the sell side, which makes this, I believe, the intermediate term high, which is I now have the range set to. So yesterday there was a failure to break out of this range, and then today we get price action trading above it. Also get this breakout here on the daily. So this would be a OTE here on the daily, or set up for an OTE potentially here on the daily. We also have this blue line here and this yellow line here. So the blue line is the 9 EMA and the white line is the 18 EMA. These are exponential moving averages. So when the 9 is above the 18, I'm going to be long bias. When the 9 is below the 18, I'm going to be short bias. So right now showing long bias. So multiple signals showing potential long here on Bitcoin today. Yesterday I had this structure put in, and then overnight and into London had a break of structure here. Break of structure, that's a mess. Break of structure up here. Break of structure that put in the current range that we're trading in now. Also seeing the moving averages here with this blue line and this white line. The 9 EMA is trading above the 18, so bullish here on the price action. So bullish on the moving averages, bullish structure. And then we have this being the structural strong low of the break of structure of the current range, this being the structural weak high here. And then we get a pullback here in my trade window here during this 6 a.m. candle here. I take an entry at the 62% level. Price pulls back down here past the 79% level. Then we get a reaction here, and price trades up into test and breaks out of this range high, but closes below. Then here in the following candle here, we're starting to get price being delivered to the sell side here, price trading at the 9 EMA here on the 1 hour chart, with price retracing back here potentially to test the entry or to retest the order block here. And just watching price here, you can see price trade down. Let's say this area here being the order block here, after price comes in here with this break of structure here. You can see price pull back down, tap into this order block here, and then you get price rally here, and then you get price coming back down and now tapping into this order block. So we'll see if this level will hold and can get continuation here to the buy side. If this level here is lost, then I may exit the trade, as if this is lost, then nothing's stopping it from just completely selling off the rest of the way here. So I may move my stop up to a protective stop here, just in case price comes back lower than here. I would anticipate this to actually fail, so I'm going to move my stop up now. We have 108.706, so this will be 108.705.8. Just move my stop up. Now price looks like it wants to test the 18 EMA here on the 60 minute. So yesterday I did back testing on the system and came back with a 70% win rate over the last month, or a little less than a month. So out of 10 trades, 7 were profitable and hit profit target, and 3 of them failed. So coming into this position, after I believe the last 2 positions this week were winners, understanding that probability wise this one could fail, and typically when I make some changes, the next opportunity typically will fail. So I'm okay whether or not this one fails or not. Once I back test it, just shy of a month, seeing numbers like 70%, I'm comfortable just taking a 20 trade sample set and see if those numbers replicate in any way. So 10 trades, a pretty small sample size, but 70% win rate is substantial in my opinion for a 10 trade sample size. And that is just back testing. So now doing a 20 trade live test of this current system, which in its simplified form is basically trading in my kill zones, or the time frames that I specifically want to look for trading opportunities, whether setting up and preferably getting entries. So this trade followed that by being in the New York kill zone. So starting at, or I believe, what is it, an hour and a half before market open, that opens up my trading window for the New York session. So in the correct trading window, then in a moving average crossover, which just checking things off here, this is the 6 a.m. candle here, or that would be the 8 a.m. candle here for New York time. So this falls within my trading window. Moving average crossover, this happened back here, so we're still good on that. Then there's 2 options for timing an entry. So there's pullback for an optimal trade entry, which is what happened with this current entry, with this being the OTE entry here, with the breakup structure and then pullback. So this is the OTE, and then if there's no OTE at the open, for a break of structure or market structure shift, and then the same pullback. So let's just say this was at, let's say 10 or let's say 8 a.m. New York time, and then you get this price action here, and you get this break of structure here. Then I would just simply wait for the pullback here, or if this was an additional break of structure, I'd wait for this pullback here, with this being the structural range here. So those criteria have been met, and then just basically just waiting for pullback to the 62% level, which is where I took the trade here. So all of my trade criteria for my system have been met in this current trade here. You can see if I zoom in, my entry here is in line with the 62% level. Actually, the 62% level is 109,150.6. I was able to get an entry at a better price of 50 cents here. And then for a stop loss, my stop loss is just below this candle. I'll take the Fibonacci tool back off here. So my stop loss was just below this candle here, which is what my Fibonacci tool is based off of here. Since this price action here started being delivered to the sell side and approaching this entry, or approaching the low that was put in here on the pullback, I moved my stop loss up where it was here, the low being 108,480.6. My previous stop loss was 108,480.4. So 10-cent spread, so I give it a 20-cent stop loss, and then move my stop up to here based on this price action, with this low being 108,706. So the stop loss is 108,705.8. So 10-cent spread, 20 cents stop loss here. And then for target, it's going to be easier to see the target on the daily chart. So I'm going to put this retracement tool back up for now. So down here on the 60-minute chart, down here on the daily chart here, we'll go into profit target here. So profit target is up here. Profit target is 110,830.7. So profit target just shy of the all-time high, and this with target, there's going to be liquidity. There's a liquidity pool resting up here. That's going to be buy-side liquidity. So my trade idea is based on institutional sponsorship coming in to tap into this liquidity pool up here. If we're able to get continuation here on price action. See now, price is reacting off of this 18 EMA here on the 60-minute. So price trading just above my entry here, and consolidating basically in between the 9 EMA and the 18 EMA here on the 60-minute. But with this today being the last trading day of the week, and then going into a long weekend, a holiday weekend, this particular position could consolidate here for some time before it decides to either continue price action to the buy side with a break of structure, or fail here, delivering price to the sell side with a market structure shift. But this one is likely going to take some time to play out. So I'll keep an eye on it, and hopefully we'll will start heading towards target here sometime soon. But this is on tilt trading with today's live crypto market open analysis and Bitcoin trade strategy.